Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. I'm Iman Hussain. So today I don't have a topic to describe in the morning. So today I'm going to share with you my practical experience when I get free time, what I do. Usually when I get free time and I try to spend time with my habits. And what are my habits? First of all, so right now this is my morning time and that's why I'm walking, and this is my free time. That's why I am walking on the local street. And there are some different kinds of activity I do when I get free time. For example, and uh, and I read books, and I play football, and I play many of activity, and which is depend on the situation. And most of time when I get free time, and I go to the outside to walk, like this, in the morning, in the evening, before the evening, and whenever I get free time, majority times, and I walk into the road. And healthy life is important for me. That's why, and I do this activity for me. And if you have like this good activity for your for every day uh, spending time, so definitely you can become really good. So if you're watching this video, early morning is a really big opportunity to get fresh mindset. That's why I'm on the way and I am speaking with you. Here you can see not many of transport is going through this road. Just me and myself is going through this road, and that is exactly beauty. And I really feel better when I walk into the road. And and if you don't have topic, and if you want to describe something else, so definitely you have to keep practice with yourself. It doesn't matter on how, if you have partner or not, but if you think this is important for you, definitely you have to record yourself. Recording is important for me. That's why I am making this video for uploading on YouTube, on social media, where you can be benefited for you. So if you are watching this video, I don't know when where are you watching this video, but think about you and think about yourself. And if you don't know my YouTube and Facebook page, and you can watch there many of video, and I have done this and I post every single day. But for 2 days and for some days, and I didn't upload some videos for me. But maybe, hopefully, and I will upload casual video of my video lesson. And if you want to learn English, and if you want to stay connected with me, so definitely you have to follow my videos, and you can follow others. And this is natural English video, and where I include my practical experience of English learning, and this will really help you for your learning, for your spoken English. If you don't know my YouTube channel, tap on my Facebook profile, and directly you can go to my YouTube channel. Those are really helpful, and if you follow. Thank you so much, and have a nice day for today's lesson, and bye bye, and see you for then.